welcome back to my channel. Today it will be the most random video I could ever do, and probably it's not really great idea because today we're gonna pack my suitcase to my vacation to Croatia, and instead of doing this for half an hour without any camera, with any of you, I will probably do it for an hour and a half because we will try on all looks that I will take with myself. You can take a look at all these things that I'm going to pack. Just for you to know, I'm going there for a week, and mostly I think I will be chilling near the beachfront, so I don't need so much clothes. But just for some occasion, if we could go somewhere to the bar or in the club, or we'll go just for some cute evening walking, I need outfits and I need photos. Let's start from the shoe that I take, because there's only like 3 pairs, including the slippers, which we'll take to the beach. Such slippers, Crocs, it's black, so new superstars. Before I had it with black stripes, and now I have it with gold because something is gold. I'm actually not a golden girl, I'm more like a silver girl. So the last one is my new pair of shoes, and it's so cute. I mean, I think it's quite a mistake that it's white, but there were no such in black color. Thinking about some heels, but I think I will regret it, and everyone around me who will be with me in this trip will regret it, because I will be constantly in pain. So we don't do this mistake anymore. Also, little notice, so you should know we also don't have any luggage included. We have only the handbag, like 8 kilograms, plus some shopper that will be on me. The size of my suitcase is really small. I don't know how I'm going to fit everything in, but I like challenges. So starting with the pajama, I thought you could probably see it already. I'm filming this video in this pajama. It's some satin pajama, and I like there is not only the thing that doesn't cover my ass, but also the trousers, which is really comfortable one, and I feel in it like I'm in the series like Sex and the City. Yeah, bring some confidence. Airport look, and probably I will be nobody's airport crush, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, I have like my top, my black some like basketball shorts which look like that, and also some hoodie with a zipper. So it's comfortable, and it's important because every time that I fly in my jeans, it was super uncomfortable. And this time we have a direct flight, so we will have stop in Vienna. In overall, our flight will be like 5 hours. So I prefer being comfortable than somebody's airport crush. I mean, I'm anyway somebody's airport crush, but then I also have the same shorts but in a white color, which looks pretty the same, and also this green top which has the same shape of the top as the black one, so I'll just combine it over the days, which is convenient. Just some jean shorts, white short, and the belt, which looks pretty basic, but I like it. I have this bag, and actually this one I bought it in H&M, I think, for 15 euros, and this bag literally can fit in itself everything, even the Polaroid, all my documents, my phone, my headphones, my money, sometimes even ebook, and all of it for 15 euros. So if you ever see this one, I forgot about this suit. It's also like shorts plus this little cropped jacket, and I think it also looks good. I will show you also this jacket with the pair of trousers that I get with myself. Here, how it looks expensive. And also with these trousers, I will have like the corset top, which will be like, it's great. It's not the same as the corset. It doesn't have this, steel slices here, but still it's really nice, and I like when my neckline is open, and I like also to wear something like this, mostly the buns, but I think it's great. I mean, especially when it's really warm outside and you sweating while having your hair down. So I like doing this, and I will show you something that I will take with myself too. I already showed it in my other socials, but here's like this pin swords with which I do my buns, and it's really great. It fixes up my hair really great, so it's quite long. And also this thing, like a hair clipper, it's also great, and I like this, things and these stones. No one has ever seen me in this outfit, and I will tell you why. You see the skirt, and before and this revealing line. I was really insecure before to wear something like this, but when I seen it in some Instagram store, I thought I like it. I like it so much. It looks so great, and it's not too revealing, but I feel for some clubbing and drinking martinis. I promise to myself, it's the last. It's another, it's a dress, and it's not that revealing, but it's how it has it cuts on my thighs, which are not really, deep, but it looks great. Just need to think about the hairstyle, how to wear it, but it's cute. And for this dress and for that previous skirt plus top, I really wanted to get heels. Look at them. I will look at them like a queen in pain. So no, now it's time to get back to out of our delusional state of mind and try to pack everything. I also forgot that I probably need to have like a couple of t-shirts. So I will have this one, the white, and I think I need to iron it right now before packing. And also this one I think need to pack in. It's a just basic black t-shirt. So it's not a lot left to pack. The most important thing that I'm taking with myself, it's my contact lenses that I wear. So without them I will see nothing. So we will take it for sure. Then there is my makeup bag, and it's kind of small actually. There is also everything like needed, like a fixing spray, mascara, couple of lipsticks, highlighter, blushes, and moreover I thought about taking my skincare, of course, because I cannot live without it. And my mom gave me this miniatures, which will be enough for a week. So here we have some emulsion for the skin, then it's cleansing foam, then it's moisture cream, and also the toner, I think hyaluronic acid toner. I will still need my makeup bag tomorrow for a job, so I will not pack it now. I will just see how it seems to be suited in my suitcase. Here's also the one that I think need to be in this plastic transparent bag. Here's a mask for my hair, and it's my shampoo. And also here's like a little toothpaste and little toothbrush. The most important thing without which I will not able to enjoy this vacation is my new bikini, my swimsuit. I will not try it on obviously, but it's red and it has really long stripes, so it's kind of great. I'm not the person who actually posts any pictures in swimsuit in my Instagram. Here is the bag I was talking about that will be with me also as a hand luggage. So it's kind of cute, like shopper, and it has a zipper and also double pocket for all my documents that I have in one, and plus all my credit cards, just debit cards. I don't have any credits, thank God. Here will be my tablet. Appreciate this Van Gogh cover. I also will have here my lenses, my ebook, because I will not get with myself the real one because it's kind of heavy and probably it will destroy the edges because the bag will be full. And also my big headphones and also my AirPods. I'll film you how my suit case looks like, but it's promising. So here it is, everything in, and still there is some place for something if I'll need it. There's also the bag that I will take, and here's all the clothes plus the slippers. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I didn't regret that I actually filmed it. Yeah, it took a little bit longer than it would be without filming it, but yeah, still. So I think I see you in my next videos and my other socials. So yeah, see you. Bye.